Are you ready to go, guys? Are you ready to learn some brand new vocabulary words? Let's go.
How many of these words do you know? For the following items, choose the word which most closely matches the definition. For example, definition: a place where people live. Horse, mouse, house, blouse. You will have 4 seconds to answer each question. Note, these are general definitions. Be aware of the context in which words are used. The correct answer to the sample question is house. Ready for the quiz? Let's begin. Number 1. The best or most favorable choice or result. Optimal. 2. Prevent or delay progress or achievement. Hinder. 3. Move around a central axis. Rotate. Revolve. Number 4. Get, gain, or accumulate. Acquire. 5. Cause something to become out of focus. Blur. 6. Cause something to move forward. Propel. 7. The chance or probability of something happening. Odds. 8. Move downward or to an inferior position. Lessen. Lower. 9. Completely destroy. Obliterate. Number 10. Smash, press, or squeeze harshly. Crush. 11. Delay or cause something to be delayed. Stall. 12. Cause to flow out or downward. Exhaust one's energy. Drain. 13. Strong desire to achieve success. Ambition. 14. One's way of thinking about life. Philosophy. Number 15. Something that blocks one's way or progress. Obstacle. 16. Unable to find a solution or way forward. Stuck. 17. Keep something in one's mind constantly. Obsess. 18. Start a fire, arouse intensity. Ignite. 19. Have difficulty when contending or making an effort. Struggle. 20. Cause someone to take action. Provide incentive. motivate.
Thank you guys. I want to thank you guys for listening to my English lessons here on Spider Monkey